Hi guys, so we're gonna go and try and catch the bell today up at the two schools, the Gent. I'm gonna close the door and hopefully it's all quiet. But yeah, okay, let's hope we get a good ambience. Right, I hope you liked that. I was just standing out there and I caught that quite well. So at the end of break time, well, we're off school to the Queen, but it's still going off for some reason. At the end of break, I'm going to go and stand at the gate and record it. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next bell, which is in like 15 minutes.